Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Natalie. If you are looking for a way to create a custom dynamic affiliate listing page for your website with Kadence Elements templates alongside advanced custom fields and custom post types plugins, then this video is for you. Without any further ado, let's get into this. Using custom post types is an excellent way to display the same content stored once in your WordPress database in multiple places. For this use case, we have a simple storage area for affiliate content with links. You display this affiliate content in multiple places. The great benefit is we only have to enter the content once and display the content wherever you need. Here are my plugins. Kadence Blocks. I have already installed Kadence Theme, Kadence Blocks Pro to access dynamic content tools, Kadence Pro plugin to build out Elements templates, Advanced Custom Fields Pro to add some meta fields, and Custom Post Type to set up the custom post types in your WordPress website. To get started, use the Custom Post Type Y plugin to set up the custom post type. Here, I set up the custom post type as affiliate with a custom icon. Leave the setting as it is, except these custom fields, excerpt, and custom fields in the support section. When you enable these, you could create a custom excerpt as well as custom fields. I also search for the icon, the money icon. The next move is to create custom fields with the ACF plugin. Navigate to ACF tab and click on Add New. We will set up two ACF custom fields group, Post Affiliates and Affiliate Settings. For the first one, called Affiliate Settings, it needs to be applied to the affiliates in the Rules section. Affiliates is my custom post type with the following meta fields. The link, which is a URL field called affiliate link, and number 2, image to select two different images called content image for the logo. For the post affiliate field group associated with post, I need to use two fields. One is the post object field type. This will show the affiliate information on the blog posts. Number 1 is post object field type, and number 2 is the affiliate icon. Kadence Elements provides you all the tools you need in order to easily add your affiliates to various areas of your site. The plan is adding my affiliate banners to the posts. Then I use the same content to make a template for our affiliate pages as well. To use Kadence Elements templates, make sure you've got the Kadence Pro plugin installed, and then ensure you've got the Kadence Elements toggle on. Now let's add to my custom post type affiliate some content. You do this as a normal blog post. I enter the affiliate product title as the blog post title, and then have an affiliate description in the content area, plus fill out the two extra meta fields. I will be using the feature image for the large affiliate product image. This is how it looks like on the front end on the site. Oops, I forgot to insert my feature image. I come back to easily add it so I can use it later dynamically. Now that you've got our content entered into WordPress via your custom fields, you can easily, with just a few clicks, create an element template. Each affiliate banner is set to link to an affiliate page. We set up our affiliate page as a Kadence Elements template. Using this template type enables you to override something. Here we are customizing the affiliate custom post type. First, select an affiliate to preview the single post template. Here, I select affiliates post type inside the element settings. Switch to Kadence Elements template settings. These are key settings for our element template. The placement is set to replace single post template, and the display setting is to single affiliates. Now let's build up the design layout dynamically. I added a row block with 2 columns. For the right column, insert the Kadence Advanced Image block. From the right sidebar, press the dynamic icon, which is this one. Enable dynamic image. Under the image, select feature image. The source is current post. I got a live preview because I have already told where the source comes from. To the left column, I had in an advanced text, my affiliate. I changed the HTML tag to div. Press Enter to insert a new block below. I choose here another advanced text to pull in the post title dynamically. To do so, I determine in the content post title. In the content source, specify the content source. To finalize the process, click on the blue button. There it is. Insert now a post content underneath. The content source is this post, so don't change anything. To finalize the process, click on the blue button. I inserted as well an advanced button block, left align just like you were design a theme. To assign the affiliate link, I'm gonna make dynamically. Select custom field and then choose the meta key, affiliate link, and voila. Let's view now. I would probably customize further, but I like the way it is, so let's check now. If you click on the button, it goes straight to the affiliate site, which happens to be my site, as I have inserted the link dynamically. The next move is to add affiliate banners to posts. As I said, the plan is adding affiliate banners to our posts. To achieve that, first we should fill out any blog post's meta fields. Open up a blog post. We have two meta fields created with ACF Pro. The post is the post object field type from ACF Pro. It enables us to select from a drop-down list to choose any registered custom post type. A blog post is a custom post type for WordPress. Then I also upload the product icon. Now we go ahead to create another Kadence element. This time I use the content section. This tells Kadence to place the content on already existing posts within your site. Give it a logical label. Define which post is used to display dynamic content while you're in the Gutenberg editor. I select posts inside Gutenberg editor. I always like to first set up element settings. The placement, I want to display this section before the post inner content. In the display settings, I define to show on the single posts. The remaining ones is set to be visible to anyone to keep things simple. Click on the gear icon to switch to the Gutenberg editor. I added a row block with a single column. Added an advanced text with a background color. And now we want to add the product image, right? So let's drop an image block in. I want to insert dynamically. Enable dynamic image. There are two ways to do this, by selecting the post URL or by a custom post field image icon to me. So what happens now is that this banner is displayed in any blog post. Adjust the image width accordingly. And then let's place the two elements side by side. With Kadence there is a new flex align settings. Click on the horizontal and you are done. Enable the dynamic link for the image you will want to add to the post, right? So then insert the post custom field like any other use cases and the ACF associated with it. Checking now on the front end after publishing. Opening a blog post. There is the Kadence element. So this Kadence element has been placed inside any blog post exactly the way I defined. What if I only want to display in certain blog posts? That's where we have to enter conditional display. To do that part, we need to affiliate ID of the post. There are a couple of ways to get the post ID from the URL. From the browser window, you find a number. This is the number WordPress identifies this blog post. Copy, and then let's move ahead and open up the Kadence Elements section. Select the top level block of the affiliate banner Kadence element. In the right sidebar, enable conditional display. Under conditional, I go with the post ID, which means it's based on the post ID. Enter the conditional source. I enter a blog post, and the logical operator is this does not equal symbol and the value to the post ID number. If the conditions are met, the content is displayed or hidden. There are many ways to implement conditional display, whether based on the row or based on meta field. For this example, I tested with a blog ID and does not equal symbol to hide the Kadence element. I have successfully achieved that. So there you go. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel where I talk all things related to WordPress websites. Let me know in the comments section below what are your thoughts on Kadence elements. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.